Hi everybody, this is Majid Khan, CEO Maharaj Group of Companies, UAE. Maharaj is one of the biggest company for the crowd control specialist in the entire Middle East from almost 10 years. Uh, we have been doing almost the mega events of the Middle East like Burj Khalifa fireworks, Formula One, Formula E in Saudi, and we have Maharaj is the one and only company who has more than 500 kilometer of fencing, barriers, and other logistic required for the sports events and all. Now, after the COVID situation, the world has been completely changed, and the crowd control is one of the biggest challenge for the entire world at this moment. We doctors are playing their part. Being an engineering and business firm, we want to play our part and to help the world to whatever we can do from our end. So we are planning to do why we are planning to invest more in the crowd control. Everywhere there are thousands of people die because of the crowd control mismanagement and disaster in the entire world. So this new plan which we are going to do, it will be for the public health, safety and security, but this will not be this along with the conventional crowd control management system. Now it will be a digital and app based technology which will give the planning for the entire facilities or an event or facility. Like after the COVID, the every facility need to be rearranged, it need to be redefined, whether it's a school, whether it's an office, or whether it's an hospital, whether it's an aeroplane. Everything need to be rearranged and redefined. So we are going to invest in this sector more and more, and we will develop a software, a digital platform which will show the entire facilities and what could be done. And if it is related to the event, so it will give complete planning to the event organizer, the one who is participating in the event, and then the security planning, the evacuation plan in case of emergencies. So this is going to be a new, along with the conventional planning. So it will be not only beneficial for Maharaj, but it will be beneficial for all the stakeholders, and it will give complete. It will help the authorities as well to take care of the public health, safety, and security. And our planning is to invest this to start this innovative plan in UK. UK has a lot of research on the crowd control science, and then we are already in the Middle East, so we want to expand our borders of business to the UK as well as the Europe, and there are a lot of thousands of events happening, and there is a lot of research available in the UK on this subject. So our planning is to launch this new business plan in UK. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and we hope there will be millions of downloads for our app in very near future. Thank you very much.